Good morning, students. Till now, we have seen that rich young man tore the that fabric. Okay, and lastly they reduce to rags. Okay, so no one will be able to wear that. And that young man tried to pay 8 coins to that saint, but he he replied or refused to take that money because no one will be able to wear that fabric now. Okay, now let's see what that saint says to that young man. Do you know the fabric was not made in a day? So he was telling that fabric was not made in a day. Many people have toiled to make her. Toiled means worked. To toil means to work very hard or for a long time at something. Okay, means he was saying that there is a large amount of work or struggle of people to make that fabric. Okay, the farmer who grew cotton in his field worked hard for months through sun and rain. So the process of making fabric starts in the farm. Okay, what farmer do? The farmer grew cotton in his field, worked hard for months through sun and rain. Means that farmer have worked very hard in his field. Okay, to grow the cotton because he have to work in the sun. Okay, and also he have to work in the rain. So he have prepared or grew cotton in his field with great efforts. Okay, this is starting of the making of fabric. Okay, the raw material used for fabric is cotton, which grew in the field. He picked cotton from each ball and gave it for spinning. So what the farmer did? He picked cotton from each ball. Okay, ball means pod of the cotton plant. Okay, means in the cotton plant there is a pod. Okay, that holds the cotton. So the farmer picked cotton from that plant and gave it for spinning. So spinning means process of making yarn or thread out of cotton wool. Okay, so uh, the fabric is made up of threads. Okay, and threads are made up of cotton wool. Okay, so first the farmer grew cotton in his field. Okay, and he have worked very hard for it. After that he picked the cotton from the plant and gave it for spinning, means for making threads out of that cotton. Then someone else carded the cotton and spun it into long uniform threads. Okay. Then someone else carded. Carded means cleaned and combed cotton to remove seeds. Okay, so in cotton it consists various dust particles. Okay, dust material means unwanted material, and also that cotton contains seeds. So carding is the process of removing seeds and unwanted material from the cotton. In short, carding means to clean the cotton. Okay, to get clean and pure cotton from the cotton extracted from the ball. Okay, and spun means drew out and twisted cotton. Okay, to make thread, yarn or thread. Okay, so someone is cleaned that cotton and then spun it into long uniform threads. The threads were dyed carefully so that they took on these lovely colors. Okay, dyed colorfully means the cotton is white. Okay, so the thread made out of that cotton is white. But we wear clothes or fabrics of different colors. Okay, so we don't not only wear white, but also we wear colorful clothes. That's why we need threads of different colors. For that, dyeing process is carried out. Okay, and that white threads were converted into various lovely colors. My wife and I wove the threads together, putting in beautiful designs. And Mr. Tiruvallur and his wife wove that threads, okay, together and make the beautiful designs of fabric out of that. So the process of preparing a fabric involves the hard work of various peoples. Okay, that fabric is not made in a day. For that, many months, okay, are required. Okay, so first of all, the cotton is grew in the field by the farmer. After that, that cotton is converted into the pure cotton by removing extra unwanted things and seeds from that cotton. After that, that cotton is given for spinning, means that cotton, okay, that pure cotton is converted into the threads, long uniform threads. After that, they were given different colors. Okay, and after that, Mr. Tiruvallur and his wife have woven that threads and converted them into the beautiful designs, okay, of fabrics. We thought someday someone will like this fabric, will be happy to wear it. Okay, so they thought that uh, someday someone will like that fabric. Okay, means the customer. Okay, so many customers have different choices, so they have made various designs of fabrics. So someone will like some design, other may like the other design, so they have prepared various designs and they thought that someday someone will like this fabric and will happy wear it. Then all our work would have been rewarded. Rewarded means when one is rewarded, one gets what he has worked for. Okay, so they will be happy that their work will is rewarded. Okay, when you destroyed the fabric, you destroyed all the love and labor that went into its making. Money cannot bring it back. So there is a lots of uh, love, okay, involved in this. Okay, lots of hard work involved in preparing the fabric, and that young man destroyed that fabric. So he had not only destroyed that fabric, but also he destroyed the love and labor that went into its making. Labor means workers. Okay, and money cannot bring that back. The softly spoken words touched the young man's heart. Now he was really ashamed of himself. Okay, so that young man was very ashamed of what he have done. Okay, he have touched by the words of that saint. Okay, that saint was spoken very politely, very silently. Okay, but that young man gets affected, and now he was really ashamed of himself. And do you know, Thiruvalluvar went on to say, I can view another fabric like this, but our life is also like this fabric. If you tear it apart with hasty, thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed and you will not get it back again. So, here Thiruvalluvar is giving the great thought. Okay, he was giving advice to that young man. So he continued saying that I can view another fabric like this. Means he was saying that it was not hard for me. I will make that again. Okay, that I will make another fabric out of these threads. I can make it, but our life is also like this fabric. Okay, means our life is also like this fabric. Our parents, okay, hard work for to make him to make us big, okay, and it is our responsibility to make them proud, okay. So that saint is saying to that young man that your life is also important, okay, like this fabric. If you tear it apart with hasty thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed. Means hasty means said or done too quickly, okay, means that fabric may be woven again, but your life is priceless, okay. If you tear your life, okay, by such thoughtless and uh, bullying behavior, then your life will be destroyed and you will not get it back, okay. Thiruvalluvar's words opened the young man's eyes. There and then he decided to give up his idleness and bad habits. Idleness means laziness. Okay, so that young man was very rich. Okay, so he was very lazy and he also has bad habits. Okay, but after hearing Thiruvalluvar's words, he opened his eyes, okay, and then he decided that now he will leave his idleness and his bad habits, and now he will do some work, okay, or stop bullying other people. Okay, so what you have learned from this story, children, that anger is not good for health, okay, and in anger you always do destructive things, okay, such that you have seen in this story that the angry young man destroyed the one fabric, okay, and out of that what he got nothing. He just destroyed that cloth fabric. But on the other hand, that saint Tiruvallur was very calm, polite. So he said that I can prepare such fabric again, but if you uh, ruin your life like this, okay, you destroy your life like this, then that life will never come, okay. You have to regret all your life. And that words of that saint touched that young man's heart, and after that he decided to do good work and not to bully other people.